be taken after 4 weeks. I have taken the consent from the other side also, my lord.
The request of land council list these matters after 4 weeks.
May I please? I beg to mention item number
If you
7,
have-
Lordship.
7.
7.
Yes.
Lordship, it may be posted next week, Lordship.
You filed reply to that.
We have already filed.
My brother has some personal difficulty.
At the request of land council for the, you are for the respondent, na?
Lordship,
Respondent, list this matter after a week.
after week.
Correct.
Obla. After a week.
May I plead the lordship?
Item number? Yeah. What is your problem? What is your problem? The council is to receive. Yeah. Let's fix it. We'll take it whenever its turn comes. Fix it. Item number 3.
No, my lord,
Yeah, what do you?
Yes, my lord. I beg to mention item number 4, my lord.
Yeah.
Here, my lord, our AG will appear, my lord. Advocate General will appear on 8th, my lord, 8th April, my lord.
But this matter has suddenly come up. I left my brief behind in Guwahati. I wasn't prepared. Can it be taken up on 8th of April?
8th of April. But
In
the
fact,
request-
in this matter, there's a central act which is under challenge, virus of an act. Perhaps notice will also have to go to the attorney general.
that 10(2)(a) of the Mines and Minerals Act. 10(2)(a)(b). Here, the request of learned advocate general is this matter after on 8th of April.
8th.
Item number 3. This have been admitted till date.
Receive a paper book recently. I am for the
It
appellant.
is already admitted. Why it is listed for admission?
Last occasion, LCR was called for and we have received a paper book, lordship. LCR already received and a prepared paper book also.
Listed for hearing. This LCR is received. Yes, paper book. Received paper book also prepared. Okay. LCR is already received and the paper book, what about the paper book?
Paper book also
ready.
here, yes, lordship.
Paper book is ready. Paper book is also ready. List this matter appeal for the hearing after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lord.
2 weeks.
I like this.
Item number 5.
May your lordship. Lordship, here I'm representing respondent number 1. So I'm seeking some more time for filing affidavit. Lordship. And today I'm filing my wakalat number.
Respond number. To file count. This petition. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship, obliged.
Item number 6.
But the respondents were asked to come up with the records in the last order.
Considering the submissions made on.
Have you come out with, have you come with the record? Page 4.
Record, there is no call for record was required, no?
My lord, I got instruction, my lord, I request to file the affidavit, my lord.
You have filed the affidavit?
My lord, I've not yet to file. my lord.
So
Alright.
what's how you are agreeing with this if they are constructing a new PSC?
I mean, under Article 275(1) of the Constitution of India, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs allocated a 2 crore fund for construction of the PSC. So that particular PSC is to be constructed in Nikte, Kodum. Nikte is a circle headquarter and Kodum is the centrally located place. Now, already there is another existing PSC at Nikte. Now, the Deputy District Medical Officer, my lord, raises an objection, my lord.
Primary health care. Primary healthcare center.
Correct, my lord. So now
If the
that in
primary
the,
healthcare center is being established at another place, what's wrong in that? The
No, no,
people will get the facility
no,
at their doorstep.
my lord, may I explain for a moment, my lord? That Nikte village, there is already an existence of a primary health center.
Fine.
Then, according to the DPR, there cannot be duplicacy of the scheme. So this Nikte is part of the Kodum circle, and there are 9 villages. So these 9 villages has to travel another 2 to 3 kilometers to avail the medical facility existing at Nikte. Then, my lord,
You mean to
Kodum,
say that,
Yes.
you mean to say that primary health center,
Correct.
one primary health center is already there.
already
And
there.
that is at which place?
Nikte,
Nikte.
which is 3
Nikte.
kilometers away.
And
Yes.
now they are going to construct another primary health center at
Kodum,
Kodum.
the
How
circle,
far- What's the distance between?
3
Kodum?
kilometers, my lord.
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers.
So how you are agreed by if they are constructing another public health center?
No, my lord, kindly allow me to convince. I can only persuade, my lord, by explaining the fact. My lord, what had happened is, according to the guidelines, no duplicacy of the schemes can take place in the existing place. So therefore, the geotagging was done for the Kodum village, Kodum, my lord. That is the central area of the Nikte circle, my lord. So therefore, another 9 villagers will get the benefit if new primary health center is constructed at Kodum, my lord. Now, here is a case, my lord. The district medical officer objected to an extent saying that, no, Nikte only is a recognized primary center. Now, therefore, there is a conflict, my lord. Now, what happens? It is a central scheme. If the place or the project site is to be changed, my lord, then immediately, my lord, it comes under the domain of the central government. The state government director do not have the power, my lord.
No, we are agreed by this 30th of October 2023. What is this order?
It says, my lord,
Page number?
my lord, for a moment. That impugn communication, page 73, my lord.
73.
Three. My lord, the type copy is at 74.
This is only about construction of a boundary wall.
No, my lord, the scheme along with the primary health center, my lord. Not the wall. Wall along with
Primary health center is already there.
already there, my lord. Here, primary boundary wall along with the hospital, my lord, primary health center.
Yes, and there is a PHC in Kodum circle also.
No, my lord, that is at Nikte. My lord,
This order in continuation of department earlier sanction order, I have informed you that as per the list of notified PSC in the Nikte has been notified by the Department of Health, so and so.
correct.
So it is to confirm you that the construction of the PSC building with compound at Nikte Circle, sanctioned by sanction order under reference is to be executed, constructed at Nikte village.
What we are agreed by is this particular word Nikte village. My lord, there is already an existing PHC. Doctors are in place, nurses are in place, infrastructure are in place.
Simply they constructing a building.
No, my lord, the scheme itself, any scheme sanctioned under Article 2725(1) of the Constitution, there cannot be a duplication. You cannot construct new PHC on the existing building, my lord.
When that PSC was constructed in which year?
2014, Lord.
2014.
14. And this is new proposal is to be constructed at Kodum, the circle headquarter of Nikte.
So if a particular area has 2 PSCs, how you will get the facility, medical facilities, doorsteps.
Milord, I think, Milord, we have some communication, gave, Milord.
Considering the submission made on the website, the government is going to grant the room system in the other solution.
Page 47 for a moment. Page 45 is a sanction copy, Milord.
45, yeah,
Page B.
yes,
And my lord will see at page 47, one particular clause, clause 8, my lord.
47. yeah.
47, 47. The concurrence is subject to non-duplication with any other scheme for any deviation. The responsibility shall be fixed on concerned officer of the department.
Fine.
So therefore, now this the director has written to the district medical officer that you carry out the construction activities at Nikte only, not in the new place. But this deholds the guidelines itself. There cannot be duplication, And there is, there is one more,
Ma'am, who is appearing for the state?
I'm appearing for the health department, my lord.
Health Department, you are
Yes.
constructing this PHC, newly sanctioned PHC at which place?
My lord, it is an existing, my lord, the NICTE is the notified PHA, primary health center.
Fine,
My lord, the scheme, my lord, it's meant for NICTE only. That Godum is the name of circle, my lord. It is within the Godum, the NICTE is situated, my lord, where PHA is notified. And Godum, as a, there's no identified PHA, my primary health center.
fine.
That's why now the scheme is meant for construction new building, my lord, not the case of duplicity, my lord. The earlier, the existing road, earlier existing building has become dilapidated, my lord. That's
Where
why
is that, any such report is there?
my lord, it's not exactly, it's not there, but it's for a new building in the NICTE PHA. My lord.
At very same place.
Yes, my lord.
And this building was in, you mean to say that it is now that building, the already existing building is not good for use.
Yes, my lord.
And
And
that's
also
why-
additional, my lord, that's why this new building is required.
Where is it? 30th of October 2023, page 74.
7-4.
30th of December. October, yes. Where is that? You have referred to this. Where is that 30th of December, no, October order?
Page 73 to 75, my lord.
73 is the order of 30th of December
Yeah,
2023.
Yes, that
Huh?
this type copy,
Type copy
yes,
is
73 is not clear, annexure 10. And then 74 is the type copy.
74
Is the type copy,
is bearing date 30th of December 2023.
correct?
This is not the which you like. Its original copy is where? This is the type copy. Where is the original copy of this order?
73, my lord, is not that legible, my lord.
And it is
Seven-
2021 date.
No, my lord, it is 23, my lord, kindly see.
23 or 21?
23, my lord,
23.
page 74.
And it is of December or October?
December, my lord.
And the court has stayed the order dated 30th of October 2023, which is the annexure 10. Annexure 10 is not 30th of October 2000.
My lord, there is some typological mistake that I have to admit. With great respect, my lord, I have to accept. My lord, let me explain from para 16. ना ओरिजिनल कॉपी को लोग लेके गायब कर दिया ना नहीं 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 ठीक ठीक Typological mistake.
Sir,
Well, from
you don't think so? Once they are saying that the building is in dilapidated condition and now they are going to construct a new building, how you are concerned with that? Not at all.
with greatest respect, my lord, while constructing all this infrastructure, the government also required to follow the norms, my lord.
Whatever it may be. No. Sir, if the government has decided to construct a new building, if it is that building is not usable, what's wrong in that?
You know, that guidelines has to be followed, you know, because it clearly says no duplicacy.
Mr. Tara,
do you really
want to press this PIL?
My lord,
You really want to press this PIL?
my lord, afford me some time, I will seek instruction from my client and I'll come back. Will come,
Yes, yes.
next week. My lord.
Not next week, today only, within 15 minutes. You please seek your, whatever the instructions may be, otherwise we'll pass an order.
Right, right.
So at least these public related matters, stay can't be this man. Yes.
May I please, your lordships. Lordships, in this matter, the respondent number 6, 7, 10, and 11, that is Border Road Organization, have filed their affidavit in opposition.
They have filed their affidavit.
Yes, lordship.
Yeah.
Kindly allow us to file our reply, lordship.
Nikhil, and concept appearing for the petitioner seeks time to file counter to the reply filed on behalf of the respondent number 6,
7,
6, 7,
10, and 11.
8 and 11. No.
10 and 11.
8 and 11. Just after 4 weeks.
Lordship, may I pray for a date, lordship? May I pray for a date, lordship?
Whatever date you want. Yes.
Can it be on 29th?
Okay, whatever date you
And on the last occasion, Lord, this honorable court has directed us to take steps upon our respondent number 8 and 9. So I think the service report might have come.
At least you are seeking time or seeking time for effecting service upon them. There is no last time, no time was granted.
My lord, I'm saying on behalf of respondent number 9.
9, and what about 8?
Who is 8?
Service upon, though the office note that service is still awaited, appears the respondent makes a.
is respondent number 8? It's a private respondent.
Service report in respect of him is still awaited. Yeah, wait return of notice of respondent number 8 and 9 for 3 more weeks. In the meantime, if the petitioner wants to file reply to counter to the reply filed on behalf of the respondent number 7, 8 and whatever it may.
6, 7, 10, and
Yes.
11.
Yes,
Much. Lordship, there is an interim order which may be continued.
interim order if any to continue till next date. Why are you making your submission in piecemeal?
Much obliged.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I'm appearing on behalf of DK Das, my lord. DK Das, my lord, appearing behalf
Fine.
of DK Das. Yes, my lord, respondent is still yet to file an affidavit.
My lord will be requiring some more time to file affidavit, my lord.
Nikhil and counsel, appearing for the respondent seeks some more time to file reply to the writ petition, time period for granted, list on so and so, yes. Joby, whatever date you.
My lord.
Item number 10.
No, this is appeal against the impugn order dated 11.
What about the respondent number 2? Notices have been served upon you.
Lordship, we have received the LCR lordship, clerk court records, so maybe, lordship, notice maybe the private respondent lordship. It's a dear lordship.
Respondent number 2 is the
Yes,
private
sir.
respondent.
Yes, lordship.
My lord, my younger brother says
Copy of the
The
served
steps have been
notices
taken
are
already, my lord.
received back after duly served. That is already served. Notice upon the respondent number 2 is served.
Yes, lordship. It has come back also, lordship, notice.
Okay, then, Nikhil,
Lordship, then, if LCR has come, lordship, then paper will.
see our report.
My lord, the MLC and the is very clear.
But if the, still the record is not in receipt.
Yes, if my lord come to page 10.
Record is not there.
Oh, sorry.
Record of the trial court has.
Then we have called for the LCR lordship. LCR.
LCR has not been received.
Lordship, we call for lordship then.
The court
Correct.
has already ordered will Nikhil,
Lordship.
while admitting the appeal on 9/10/2023, this court has already summoned the record of the lower court. However, the same has not been, however, it appears the same has not been received. This is that to trial court to send the record list after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Item number 11.
You are appealing for?
My lord, I am for respondent number 3 and 4, my lord.
And what about other respondents? Have you filed your counter?
My lord, this is listing for the first time, my lord.
First time.
First time, my lord.
Okay. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and after going through the contents of the writ petition, we deem it appropriate to issue notice to the respondents. Learned Mr. So and so put in appearance on behalf of the respondent number 1. You are appearing for?
Mine was appearing under instruction of LWS.
No, respondent number.
Respondent number 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
So and so is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2, 5, 7, and 8. Let notices be issued to the other respondents. Returnable 6 weeks. Sent through the registered post. In the meantime, by the next date of hearing, the respondent number 1, 2, 5, and so may file their counter to the petition.
My lord, your lordship not recorded my representative respondent number 3 and 4, my lord. 3 and
You are
4.
also for the respondent number 3 and 4.
No, 3 and 4 only.
Okay,
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay,
Yes,
you please.
my lord.
But you are additional AG, you don't represent the state.
My lord, they have a standing council because the state will represent by the secretary power, my lord.
The respondents on behalf of whom you are appearing, you please send.
My
it.
lord, yes, I'll do that.
We'll do that. No, you told me next day.
My lord, I had a communication with my client.
Yes.
With an instruction that I should withdraw with liberty. Grateful.
Okay, learn concept of the petitioner wants to withdraw this writ petition with liberty to file fresh if occasion so arises.
Grateful.
Fine. This is item what item number 5. This 6. Item number 6.
May I please,
Yeah.
your lordship?
Lordship, I have filed this
389 petition for suspension.
for suspension, your lordship. I don't have any objection as such.
You have not received the instructions. No objection. No objection. Okay, fine. Okay. The matter comes upon for consideration of the application preferred on behalf of the appellant under section 389 1 of the CRPC with a prayer to suspend the sentence awarded to the appellant in sessions case by the trial court in sessions case number 69 of 2015. Of which court is this?
District and Sessions Court, Bomdila.
Yeah, District and Session Judge Bomdila. Full stop. Counsel for the appellant has argued that the trial court has grossly erred in convicting and sentencing the appellant, though the prosecution has miserably failed to prove the charges against her. It is also submitted that there is no eyewitness in the case and the trial court has convicted the appellant on the basis of the circumstantial evidence. However, circumstantial evidence is however, the said evidence is not sufficient to prove the guilt of the appellant as the chain of events have not been proved by the prosecution. It is also submitted that the appellant is a lady and is suffering incarceration since long, and therefore the sentence awarded by the and she has and she is having a and there are there are chances of acquittal of the appellant, and therefore the sentence awarded by the trial court may be suspended. Learned public prosecutor, though has not any reply to the application for suspension of sentence, but has women pose the counsel for the state has no objection if the application for suspension of sentence is allowed. Full stop. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and after careful scrutinizing the record, particularly the fact that the conviction of the trial court, conviction of the appellant is based on circumstantial evidence and taking into custody the custody period of the appellant, we deem it appropriate to allow this application. Hence, the application for suspension of sentence is allowed. The appellant be released on bail subject to the condition that she will furnish a personal bond of rupees 50,000 along with
Lordship,
personal bond of rupees 50,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount.
Lordship, can it be reduced? I don't think she'll be able to. Says
25,000 along with two sureties, madam. We are granting bail. Still, you are bargaining for that. It is very strange. Even people are ready to furnish the personal bond of rupees 1 lakh even.
even her children are not supporting her. She is.
Then who is going to furnish the personal bond? Nay, that sureties.
I don't know, but if it can be reduced, Lordship, because this is a very poor village here, Lordship.
Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25,000 along with two sureties of likewise amount. Subject that the appellant shall furnish 25,000 rupees, 25 20,000 to the satisfaction of the learned trial. The suspension sentence is allowed. Yeah, but taking into consideration, if an appellant is a poor lady, we deem it appropriate to direct, we deem appropriate to direct her to furnish a personal bond of rupees, to furnish only to the amount of rupees 25,000 to the satisfaction of the learned trial court. On furnishing same, the trial court may release her on bail. Her bail, the appellant shall not leave the state of Arunachal without seeking leave. So they may not leave the jurisdiction of the trial court without seeking leave from this court. Also, mark her presence before the trial court in the first week of January of every every year. In case the appellant fails to mark her presence before the trial court in the first week of January of every year, the trial court shall inform this court immediately.
Much obliged.
Every 10 years. Every 60 days. For the trial. What we should do, in every 3 months, in every 3 months.
Much obliged.
Before the trial court in every 3 months. But उसको दे देना, अगर कोई correction होगा we'll do that. Highest tense disposed of.
Deeply, highly obliged.
Mother, the bar wishes happy